When 2 rescuers are available, it's often good to perform what is known as two-man CPR. This will help alleviate possible exhaustion as well as helping memory recall. When performing two-man CPR on an adult, Rescuer 1 will be located at the victim's head to give the victim breaths. Rescuer number 2 will be located at the victim's opposite side to give them compressions. We'll be giving the victim 30 compressions and 2 breaths. When performing two-man CPR on a child, we'll maintain that same position, but we'll only be giving 15 compressions and 2 breaths. When performing two-man CPR on an infant, Rescuer 1 will be located at the head of the victim to give breaths. Rescuer 2 will be located at the victim's feet, giving compressions with their thumbs instead of their fingers. We'll be giving the infant 15 compressions and 2 breaths, just like the child.